Well, hello. The 2025 Moto Guzzi V85 Strada. Look at that. I'm gonna be honest with you, I really love this bike. I've had it for 4 weeks now, I think. Bought it brand new. I had a lot of fast bikes before this one. I had my bike before the V85 was the Suzuki GSX S1000 with 152 horsepower. Um, I don't know, I really loved the bike. It was really good, but I didn't like the sporty seat, the geometry. I also really missed the comfort and the windscreen. And I mean, it's a lovely bike, the GSX. Really fast, really thrilling. But I don't know, man. Maybe I'm in the minority, but I'm 40 years old now. But I actually prefer cruising a little bit slower, man, these days. I don't need those the high speeds anymore. I mean, it's cool, but I prefer touring. And yeah, this is what I like. Well, let's check out the sound. It's still stuck. Watch this. Starts like a tractor, man, but damn, I love it. The Eagle headlight. Look at the shake when I rev it. I don't know if you can see it, but the bike moves from the left to the right. It's amazing. Alright guys, that was my short video of the Moto Guzzi V58. Yeah, I just love this bike, man. I've ridden 1500 kilometers. I need to bring it in for service, and I really love this bike. I think it's fast enough. It's 80 horsepower, and if you ask me, it's more than enough. Like I said, I love Japanese naked sport bikes or 4 cylinders and stuff, but I'm getting old, I think. I don't know, but I actually prefer to take things down a little bit slower these days. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna take her for a ride. See you later.